Hello, welcome back to Thinking Digital. Today we're about to show you how to create a new workspace on Trello. First, go to your Trello.com or you can also use Trello app. Then come to Workspace, tap on Trello Workspace. Once you do that, you will see all of your collections and also an option of create new board. So as we are creating a new board, we will just tap on create new board. And then you will be given two options here, board title and the visibility workspace, where you want to make it visible. Is it for a private thing or is it for your public space? Now we will just put our board title here. And today this is for my private workspace. So I will make it private only. And then you can start with a template, but I'm not going to start with any templates right now. And then I'm going to just choose my background here and then click on create. As you can see, I have created a new workspace on my Trello account. Now I will try to write a title for one of my cards here. First, I will have to create a list title. Then just tap on enter and you will have another section of list. Now coming to this first list, you will see an option of add a card. Just tap on add a card and put a title for your card and then just tap on enter. Now if you want to finish your card section from here, you have to tap outside of the list like this. As you can see, I have created a list from here and my list has two cards from here. You can also add multiple cards and you can also add multiple lists on your Trello workspace. This is how you can easily create a new workspace on Trello. That's it for today. We will see you in the next tutorial.